This is a story every man and woman should hear. It's like nowadays there's no existence of brotherly love to our sisters who are not biologically related. Wagwan, can't you have respect for the female without introducing Johnny or Dick or whoever? OMG. Welcome back to my channel, Great Amaziyah. Thanks to the fans and subscribers. Please continue to watch, like, comment, and share my videos. If you are new to this channel, please do hit the subscribe button and that notification bell to be updated on my latest content. Sometimes in a life, you have women out there who encountering enough drama in them life's experience. Really attractive ladies. They might smile if them feel like, but inside is crammed with chaos and confusion, and seriously need some kind of attention, some kind of help, comforting words, even a hug, the words, I love you, the words, it's okay, you will win, keep striving. Females are special and deserving attention and time. I won't be biased still. No disrespect, but some can be very annoying, very disrespectful, not encouraging, very jealous, and go on with a bag of things. Stressful to deal with, even ungrateful. Likewise, men too. But at the end of the day, it all have to do with self-respect. And men, please, whenever you guys help out with a situation, probably assisting to solve some of the financial strains, and I said some because some women always have money issues, no joke. In a case where a female trusts you enough to start sharing personal information with you, like a secret, keep it, don't leak it, never ever speak it, not even to them. And please, don't ever use that against them to extort them for sex. It's just not right. And remember, no is no. Control your damn self. Anyway, let me get to the story. Ayana Hill, a beautiful and quiet young lady, smart, brilliant, but somewhat kinda shy. She was never the type to wear makeup or fancy the latest trends. She totally had no interest in hype designer fashions or gadget whatsoever. She was a book lover and mostly seen under a huge tree located in her yard, sitting on a gigantic root that plunged from the earth, reading novels or the Gleaner newspaper. Some people found her to be strange and even called her a mad woman. And to be honest, even at one point I did think something was wrong with her. Until we actually became very close friends. Very close friends. Not intimately, but close. She was very special to me. And today, I respect the bond we have. Some people even used to think so we're sexually involved, yeah. You know the fast in a people business news team? Yeah man, transmitting line information to my woman at the time that even triggered bitter arguments that could ruin my relationship then. But you know, that's another story. Miss Hill was in her early 20s and resided in a Spanish Town Garrison community with her two sisters, her mom, stepbrother, and stepdad. I had absolutely no idea that we would become friends because, like I said before, she was a very shy person, hardly talked to anyone. If she had gone on the road, you'd usually see her with a book or a headphone listening to music. One day, seeing her struggling with her 2 bags of groceries, I offered to help, but she declined. Whenever time I, or any other guy for that matter, said hi to her, she would never reply. There were times when other guys would disrespect her and call her names like mad idiot girl. But to me, that was just them being stupid and ignorant. Never in all my life I had tried to disrespect a female after saying hi and she no feel like to reply. No, get me wrong, you know. I'm not saying I'm supporting a woman who does not have the common courtesy to reply with a simple smile or a wave and say hi. Yeah, you know that normal. But that not give no guy no right for verbally insult and assault a woman. No. It no work for me like that. Some boy just can't get the grips of them cuss and say it's sour. But gentlemen, please, respect our women. And ladies, be polite. I'm just saying. So Ayana and I became friends, I think, after we coincidentally took the same taxi from Halfway Tree. I never mentioned a word to her because you know me no want call to her and she no bother reply. As a matter of fact, I was already seated in the car and the driver only wanted one passenger to go. He was bawling, "Wanna move?" ever since the second person entered the vehicle. While we were on our way and almost in a Spanish town, the driver requested, "All fare please." I noticed she was digging through her bag repeatedly. "Next passenger from the back, send up my money now please and thanks," the driver demanded. Driver, whoa. You know, I swear my purse with my money was in my bag. Is it possible I could pay you tomorrow? by the taxi stand? I can't find my money, said Ayana. The taxi driver immediately stopped the car and said to her, lady, is either you run my money or run out of my car. You think you can come trick me again? What kind of style that? You think say water and breeze run my vehicle? Driver, I am not lying, she pleaded with tears streaming down her face. I tapped her on the shoulder and said, it's okay. I will pay your fare for you, dear. God knows why we both end up in the same transportation together. She told me thanks and then was muted for the remaining few minutes to our destination. After we exited the vehicle, she told me how much she really appreciates. I said, sure, no problem. The pleasure was all mine. I asked her name and she said Ayana with a smile. Oh, well, Ayana, I'm sure you know we're both from the same community. I heard you said you lost or forgot your fare. Well, you need to take another taxi from here, and I am not going straight home where I could pay your fare again. But here's $1,000. Take care. Keep the change. And you know what amazed me? After I gave her that $1,000 note, she asked, why give me all this money when the fare is only $100? I told her that's cool, and she insisted to repay me later in the week whenever I was passing her yard. I told her that's okay. Well, that's it for today with the Ayana Hill story. Amaziyah The Great representing to the fullest. So here we go on, fans. If you want to continue with the story, because you know this is something new, so please comment and make me know. Who knows, this can be something you might actually get glued to and want to hear more. So if you don't want to hear more, I want to go on. Just tell me if you continue. If you like the content so far, you never can tell. Maybe this is something we're developing our film or something. But just tell me what you think about this. Thanks for watching my channel, Great Amaziyah. Keep watching, sharing, subscribing, commenting, and just make the people know. Tell them precisely, Great Way is the gateway. Okay, viewers, fans, friends, my family, them, subscribers, everybody, thanks so much for watching. Please do feel absolutely free to drop us your comment and be kind to leave a feedback. Yeah, comment, like, share, and tell others about it. And also remember to hit the notification bell if you want to be updated on what's new. Talking about what's new, go and go check out Amaziyah The Great collections. Me have whole heap of merchandise. I'm going with a bag of things. Enough t-shirt designs, don't tell them precisely. Available on Teespring. Enough people are talking about it, but go and go look for yourselves. Links will be in the description below. We have tabs for females, males, babies, cups, phone cases, etc. Mr. Go and go look now. Follow Amaziyah The Great collection on IG and like us on Facebook. If you haven't watched My Name is Pam before, features my sister Quality. Please do go and go watch it and share it as it relates to domestic abuse against women and a woman's struggle through it to independence. Also remember to check out Amaziyah The Great music on Amazon, Spotify, Tidal, Deezer, Google Play. It's everywhere.